Ever wondered how to turn your Ethereum or Bitcoin into the digital euro? Stick around and we'll show you how. First, set up a compatible wallet. We recommend MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Binance Wallet, or SafePal. If you're using MetaMask, make sure to add Binance Smart Chain. Go to Settings, Networks, Add Network, and enter these details. Network name, Binance Smart Chain, RPC URL, https://bsc-dataseed.binance.org/, chain ID, 56, currency symbol, BNB, block explorer, https://bsccscan.com/. Next, import the digital euro, EUR, into your wallet. Go to import token and enter this contract address. 0xeb83fcc01a22c4 b9c80020154ec082aab8440. Now you'll see your digital euro balance. For swapping, head over to PancakeSwap, connect your wallet, select the crypto you want to swap, and add the EUR contract address in the receive field. Confirm the transaction and approve it in your wallet. Boom, you're done. Prefer a centralized exchange? Check if BitSpark BPK is listed on Binance, KuCoin, or another exchange. Deposit your crypto, search for EUR trading pairs, and make the swap. Lastly, if you need to transfer between networks, use a bridge like Binance Bridge, AnySwap, or Seller C Bridge. Choose your origin and destination networks and confirm the transfer. Always confirm your transactions on BSCScan and check your wallet balance. And that's it. You're now ready to exchange your crypto for the digital euro safely and efficiently. For more info, visit the BitSpark BPK website or your chosen exchange's documentation.